Good morning, everybody. My name's Dan. I'm pretty much new at lockpicking. See the lock? It's locked. There's the keys on it. My tension wrench. For some reason, this is my favorite tension wrench. I don't know. I guess because it's flat on the side. Try to get the video where I can see it. It's a long lock. The only thing I'm using is a half diamond pick. And I'm just gonna go in, do a little jiggling. I just did it twice within a minute. There we go. And the keys still on it. 1, 2, 3 keys. Now I've watched a lot of videos. Don't mind me the way I look. You know, it's early in the morning here in Baltimore. People say like master locks are easy to pick. This is a 4-pin master lock. I bought a small one, you know, because I'm a beginner. I mean, I bought picks. I got bump keys. I got auto jigglers. Actually my pick gun will be here today, and actually just ordered another set of picks last night. You know, because some of mine are bent. I guess getting worn out. I guess being a little rough with them, you know. And I didn't buy an extravagant set yet, but maybe one day I will. Like I said, here's my auto jigglers. I got a real nice Black & Decker lock. I don't know where it's at the moment, but I did get it open. I picked it like 5 times, and I also got it with this jiggler key. You know, I even got it with. And the lock, you know, it's a real good lock. It's all stainless. You know, I've had it for about 10 years. And the key doesn't come out until the lock is locked. You know, it's a really good lock. It's all stainless. It's been out in the weather. I locked my garage with it, and you know, the side door in my garage anyway. But if anybody could send me any tips about on these master locks, and they say they're easy to pick. All the shear lines look pretty close. You know, a few of the videos I watch, most of them, it says just rake them. Now I got this lock. It's a cheapie, but it's got some weird cuts. You know, I can get 3, 4 pins, and then I'm starting to get frustrated and give up. So, thank you guys. As soon as I get another one of these unlocked, I'll definitely post it right away. Have a good day. Little advice, maybe you might want to shower before you put yourself on videotape.